Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty mesh flower poster. It works up really quickly and it's super simple. You only use double crochet and chain to make it. It measures about 4 inches and you need, for one coaster, you need about 8 grams of yarn, and if you want to make set of 4 you need about 40 grams. But yeah, this is super pretty and summer is coming, so it's perfect for summer. So let's get started. I'm using loops and threads cotton yarn. This is worsted weight medium, and I'm using, like it says, 5mm hook. You also need scissors and a darning needle. So let's get started. So first let's make a slip knot. Put it over your fingers like that. There's a little X. Put your hook under here and grab this yarn. You can use magic circle, but I like to use the chain method. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3. Into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. And chain 4. Now into the circle here. So this counts as a stitch. We need 7 more double crochets here. So next stitch, make into the circle, make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and chain 1. So I just made 2 double crochets, and you make 5 more double crochets and they're all separated by chain 1. So I made 7 double crochets. Last double crochet when you make, you finish with chain 1, and we're gonna slip stitch. We made chain 4 here, and there's first chain, 2, and into the third chain, make a slip stitch. Like that, and chain 4. This was our round 1, and now we're gonna do round 2, and we're gonna increase all the double crochet stitches. And first stitch is gonna go to the same stitch where the chain is coming from. It may be a little tricky to get in here, but make a double crochet in here. This chain is also our stitch, so this is our first increase, chain 1, and now we're gonna make a V stitch into the double crochet here. So make a double crochet, chain 1, and make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. This is our V stitch, and again chain 1 and do the same into the next stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into the same one. Again chain 1 and keep doing it until you get to the last stitch. make the last increase here, chain 1, and again slip stitch into the third chain here. So 1, 2, and into the third chain, make a slip stitch, this was our second round, and now we're gonna do our third round, and we're gonna make the increases between every piece stitch. So chain 4, so this counts as our stitch, and we're gonna do a V-stitch again into the next stitch here. This is our previous V-stitch, so we're gonna make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into one into this space here. So make a double crochet, chain 1, and one more double crochet in here, chain 1, into this chain 1 space just make one double crochet, chain 1, this is our V-stitch, gonna make a V-stitch in here, so double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and this is how we're gonna go all around. Every double crochet is separated by chain 1, so all the V-stitches increases we're gonna do where the previous V-stitch is. So we just finished the V-stitch, and now we're gonna do double crochet. First we had to chain 1, and now we're gonna do double crochet in this space, chain 1, and V-stitch into here. Chain 1, and keep doing it. One double crochet and V-stitch, double crochet, V-stitch, separated by chain 1. And this is our last V-stitch, so make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into this space. This was end of row 3, so again 1, 2, 3 into the third stitch, we're gonna do a slip stitch. Now we're gonna do our round 4, we're gonna make the petals, so chain 1, slip stitch into the next space, make 5 double crochets into the V-stitch space, skip this space, slip stitch into the next chain 1 space, and again 5 double crochets into the space between V-stitch. Again skip the next space and slip stitch into the next one, and again 5 double crochets, and this what you do until you get to the end, and then your coaster is ready. This is my last V-stitch, so just 5 double crochets there and we are done. And just skip here and you can slip stitch like into the first chain one here and cut the yarn, pull the yarn through, and your poster is ready. It is super pretty, and the first one you can close the circle, and let's hide the ends. Okay, I hid all the ends, and your poster is ready. It was super fast. It took me about 10 minutes to make one, and it's perfect last minute gift to make, and it's really pretty. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. See you in the next video. Bye.